Here's a new 2019 Buick Encore. Flexibility has never been more perfectly sized than with this stylish, nimble, and luxurious Encore. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth streaming audio, manual telescoping steering column, power heated mirrors, external memory control, aluminum wheels, doors and push-button start proximity key, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. From automobile, the Buick Encore offers reasonable fuel economy, impressive driving dynamics, and an upscale interior at a sweet spot price that makes it accessible to those who normally shop brands that are more conventional. Imaginative luxury for the real world. That's today's Buick. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Since 1967, Royal Moore has delivered the best service, the best experience, and the best selection. Call, click, or stop in today.